Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi. This avoids delays and discovery problems. Once connected, put the TV into its mirroring input or AirPlay mode so it's discoverable. On your Samsung, swipe down to open Quick Panel and tap Smart View or Screen Mirroring. This initiates device scanning. Keep an eye on permission prompts, accept them. If you don't see the TV, toggle Wi-Fi off and on quickly to force a refresh before continuing. Now you'll select the TV from the Smart View list. Samsung presents nearby devices by name to avoid confusion. Tap the TV entry and wait for the pairing handshake. When prompted on either device, grant permission for casting, and if required, type the PIN shown on the TV. This secures the connection. Make sure you allow media and audio access so sound follows the picture. Once paired, Smart View begins streaming. Pause briefly to verify audio sync and visual quality. Finish by optimizing the experience. Set Do Not Disturb to prevent pop-ups and use the TV's aspect ratio or sound output settings to match the phone. If the video lags, move closer to the router or reduce network load. This improves bandwidth for mirroring. If the connection drops or stutters, restart the phone, TV, or router. That simple step resolves most issues. If problems persist, reconnect Smart View after a restart, so the devices renegotiate a clean, stable session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.